Traders, I've got a couple of happy faces up here. I want to show you something. I've got this open on the 4H. We'll just quickly go out to the daily and we'll have a look at this. This is gold. And we'll come down to a lower time frame and I'll show you what I've got marked up here. So what I'm looking at here is this daily distribution level back up in here. Strong sell-off. And then we've got this daily level under here. If we look left, we've got this balance area left. So it's trading down into a strong support zone. I'm interested in a trade opportunity here, and we're going to go down to a 5-minute time frame, and I'll give you my setup. So just marking this up, we'll just go down to the 4-hour now, and we'll just quickly work our way down. I'll just show you what I've got marked up here. I've got this 4-hour imbalance through here. We've got this back over here. I'm just going to take it from the candle low body. We've got this balance area coincides with this, so we've got this nested bit of balance area through here, resistance, strong level, so that's going to be a target. I'm looking for the retrace, and then I want to see a setup here to go short. Basically that's what I'm looking for. So we've got this trend, trades off, retraces, trades off. Well, didn't retrace much here. What I'm going to show you is a game changer, and we'll go out of here and we're going to go down to this 5-minute time frame with these things marked up. So with today's opportunity, what I'm looking for is a retrace, and I want to see the retrace. See this gap? I want to see it trade back up. This yellow orange line is a weekly level. I'd like to see it trade back up into here, and then I'll be interested in a sell opportunity. Back up. You see back up in here, you can see this range. Okay, strong resistance. That would be an opportunity. Now let's have a look at these signals here, and I'll very quickly explain what this is about. What we're waiting for is this dot. If that occurs when we see two red bars under here, this red bar is telling us that the 4-hour and the daily time frame meet a certain criteria. So it's a strong bearish momentum. This one down here is saying the 1-hour, 2-hour, 4-hour and the daily are bearish. So when we see a strong trend like this, we wait for this. This is giving us a signal telling us that we have a stop run. That's quite a good bearish signal. That's what we want. So we look for the next candle and then we take the trade. And these signals show up in the in these alerts log over here. We've got these set up. So there's a sell. Now let me just go back and show you how reliable this is. These coloured zones, this blue over here on the left, that's the London. Just do this London open, this line. We've got the Asia open. This is Tokyo. Red signal, okay. So you can see here, this is the New York open, the white one. Ranges. We get this massive trade down here, bit of a fake out, and then we get this shakeout. And this draws short traders in. But I'm looking for this red dot. That's telling us that we've got a overextension here to the upside. There's your trade. And again, we've got red bar here with red bars below. So it's a fairly easy system. We just follow what this is telling us. If we go back and have a look at the last few red dots. Well, there's one up here. There's a couple up here. I mean, look at the outcome. And that kept going. Guys, click the link below and you'll be able to gain access. But we're looking for, just to take this one step further, what we want to see, again I mentioned, we want to see these red bars. This is a little bit of a weaker signal given that we got some green coming in here, but the majority is red. These are breaking up as well, so I mean the risk is a little greater. Okay, it's not as strong as a solid red bar up, up above and below here. Nevertheless, the majority of this is red, so I'm happy to take that. I mean, look, we're getting 8 or a 9 out of 10 win rate, so, we lose the occasional, it doesn't really matter. So far, so good, right? So there's your trade. Now, what we have here, and this is the kind of thing I'm looking for, is this orange line is a weekly. These are institutional level. This is a daily. The yellow is daily. So what I want to see is a move into these institutional levels with a red dot and then a move up into these levels. So whenever you see the red dot, don't just jump in willy-nilly midstream. You wait. Well, you could actually layer in, set a small position here, and then layer in pending orders back up into this zone up here, because you want to see this stop run attack liquidity around these levels, preferably a break through it. Let's just have a look left. Yeah, all right. We've got a couple here, smiley face, but I mean, if we go out of here and we have a look at these on the 15-minute, I mean, what was the outcome? Just brilliant. I mean, look, there's a 15-minute signal. You can take these as well. Look at this. Now we've got a bullish scenario here. So when you see green and green, you're looking for the green signals. All right. So that's the stop run there. You ignore the red signals when the strength is green. Now I'm looking for an opportunity today. These were on the 5-minute. We had a red dot here and a red dot here. All right, so you can work this on the 15-minute as well. Coming back over to where we are today, I'm looking for the same thing. I'm looking for the red signal. This is a bearish trend. We've got everything in our favor under, and I want to see this trade back up into, well, this imbalance. Take it out. There's the weekly, there's the orange line. We've got a daily up here. Trade back up into these levels, but if I see, especially coming into the London Open, this blue, London Open, New York Open, into the session times is where we see this. So let's say this looks like it's trading north into the London Open, and we could get the opportunity if we see the red dot giving us a break above here and telling us that there's a stop run. And if we grab a Fibonacci, take it from here down. Keep in mind we've got this 4-hour bearish order block up in here, so don't underestimate how far this can pull back. We've got this imbalance here on the 4-hour. Let's see if we get a trade back up into the yellow zone in the fib zone here, 61.8786, and it coincides with this orange line through here, horizontal. Okay, so and the orange dots you can see just here. I mean, look, if you're not in front of the charts, we could start layering in with a stop loss above these order blocks, something like that, and set and forget. Or if you're in front of the charts, we wait for the signal. So guys, that's it. Click the links below. That's my take on gold. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.